Today I'm going to be show you what will happen if the engine breather get kinked or clogged. The crankcase pressure increases and the engine doesn't quit, but you get a big oil leak. That's what exactly happened here. There is oil leak at the crankshaft's pulley. Also oil coming out from dipstick's tube at the crankcase. We're going to detach the breather pipe assembly to find the problem. This is the hose pipe. It is going all the way out. We are going to remove it out and check. This is the end of the pipe. There are two 8mm bolts we are going to loosen. One more bolt at the crankcase. We need to unfasten this bolt too. There we go. Now we gently remove the breather pipe assembly, and we'll take it for inspection. This is the engine breather pipe. I already identified the problem. There is lots of gunk inside the pipe. Let me show you. I'm not going to clean it because this pipe is stiff, difficult to bend it. I already have another pipe. I'm going to replace it. It is also sticky, really going to take time to clean it, and time is money. I hope this video helped you up. If you see the same symptoms on your generator's engine, make sure first check the engine breather pipe before you replace the oil seals.